Ever wondered if you could peek behind the curtain of your Lloyds account and share that view with other trusted apps and services? It's a question that's popping up more and more as we navigate the world of digital finance. You're managing your money across different platforms, trying to get a holistic picture of your financial health, and the idea of connecting everything seamlessly is incredibly appealing. Think about it. Budgeting apps that automatically pull in your transactions, comparison tools that instantly assess your options based on real-time data, or even getting quicker loan approvals because your financial history is readily available. This is the promise of open banking, a concept that's been gaining serious traction in the financial world. So, the burning question remains, does Lloyds, one of the UK's major banking giants, embrace this technology? The short answer is a resounding yes. Lloyds Bank has indeed implemented open banking, allowing its customers to securely share their financial data with authorized third-party providers. But what does this actually mean for you, the Lloyds customer? It opens up a world of possibilities. Imagine using a budgeting app that automatically categorizes your spending from your Lloyds current and credit card accounts, giving you a clear overview of where your money is going without you having to manually input every transaction. Or picture using a price comparison website that can access your Lloyds mortgage details to find you potentially better deals, saving you time and money. Lloyds utilizes what are known as application programming interfaces, or APIs. Think of these APIs as secure digital bridges that allow authorized third-party apps and services to communicate with Lloyds systems and access your data, but only with your explicit consent. This consent is crucial. You are always in control of what data is shared and with whom. Lloyds has implemented robust security measures to ensure that this data sharing is safe and protected. The journey of open banking in the UK began with regulations aimed at fostering innovation and competition in the financial services sector. These regulations essentially mandated that banks like Lloyds create these secure APIs, allowing regulated third parties to access customer account information and initiate payments on their behalf, again, always with the customer's permission. This isn't just a theoretical concept, it's actively being used by Lloyds customers today. You might already be using an app that leverages open banking to connect to your Lloyds account without even realizing it. The convenience and efficiency it offers are becoming increasingly integrated into our daily financial lives. Of course, it's natural to have questions and perhaps some reservations about sharing your financial data. Lloyds, along with regulatory bodies, has focused heavily on ensuring transparency and security. You'll always be asked for explicit consent before any data is shared, and you have the right to revoke that access at any time. It's all about putting you in control of your financial information. So, whether you're looking to streamline your budgeting, find better financial products, or simply gain a more comprehensive view of your financial landscape, the fact that Lloyds uses open banking is a significant advantage. It connects you to a growing ecosystem of innovative financial tools designed to make managing your money easier and more efficient. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.